Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually change your password on Disney+. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is actually open up your browser and go down to the official Disney+ website. Now from here we go and log into our account, and as you can see, it asks us to log in. Now simply press continue, and here my password is remembered, but if you forgot your password, simply press forgot password, and what this will do, it will take you to Disney email, and it will actually send you an email to make a different email. Now let's say you know your email, but you want to change your email throughout your account. Now simply open up your account, log in, and go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now here we go down to the account settings, right below the app settings, and here you can see your account details. Now here you can simply change it by actually pressing the little pen icon. Now that should be it. Here you can change your password, and now you can actually sign in with your new password. If this tutorial has helped you, or if you still get any other questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.